And now we're going to cut our notch. So what I like to do is chop my notch in here with my blade. If I had a sharp rock, I would have braided it in, okay? If I had a smaller knife, I could whittle and take my time. I'm not worried about being stealthy, and I've got plenty of fireboard to work with, and I've got a pretty good chopping blade right now. So I like to just chop inwards. So I can just kind of hack away, and I want to cut a notch in towards the hole, the seat that I created. Sheath my knife. And this is what my notch should look like. Here, hopefully you can see that. Like so. I want my weight over my spindle. I want my weight over my spindle. And start off light, nice and easy. You want to create dust. Create an ember. Like so. I think we got it. There's wisps of smoke coming from our dust. Now is not the time to panic. This will burn for a while. Get yourself situated. I'm gonna get my tinder bundle close. My bed already. And sometimes you can take a leaf, or rather a stalk, and free it from the notch. Add some of the powder. And then I'm going to use my leaf to transfer to my tinder bundle. Very gently. And then blow. Probably add some more grasses. I'm going to give you a close-up. What we're working with here. So here's the ember. Cameras. So we just want to blow. And there you have it.